Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you all my version of a chili that goes onto hot dogs, and this was especially requested by Starry Stars. So here you go, hon. I hope your son enjoys this recipe. So to make this, we're going to start with some coconut oil, some chili infused coconut oil in our pot. Go in with some chopped onions, and we're going to allow those onions to brown on a medium heat. Next, I'm going to go in with some turkey, minced turkey, or you can use beef or chicken. I'm going to break up that turkey into the pot, and I like using my potato masher to help me get small pieces of turkey. Next, I'm going in with some chili powder and some anatto or occou powder. It's going to help give it a really rich red color. Next, I'm going in with some all-purpose seasoning. And I'm going to allow that to cook in there for about 5 minutes. Now I'm going to go in with some Worcestershire sauce, some ketchup, and mix that in. Just allow it to fry up for a minute. Add in some cornmeal, corn flour, or regular flour. This is going to be the binding agent that helps hold the sauce together so it does not separate. Next goes in some green seasoning and a small tin of Hunt's tomato sauce. And I'm using the plain sauce. You can use a flavored sauce if you like. We want to cook this for about 10 minutes on a medium-low heat. Now if it starts to thicken up a lot, go in with some water to help thin it out. Or you can use some low sodium chicken stock also in this, or beef stock if you're using beef. So you want to cook this down. When it starts to thicken up again, go in. I like going in with this hand blender. I'm blending it so it looks nice and fine like this. Now at this point you taste, adjust your salt, and then it's ready to be served. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. It was requested by a lot of people, but especially by Starry Stars. Or Stars Starry. I'm sorry, I forgot which one it was. So I hope you all enjoyed it. Make it, let me know down below. Top it off with some cheese. Garnish it with whatever you would like to garnish it with. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good night. Bye.